Gas grills are great, but how many times have you gone, light something up, cook whatever you want to on the grill, and your tank is empty? I've got a couple hints for you to keep that from happening. Why not just make it easy on yourself and get one of these gauges? I'll show you how to install it, and here's another tip. We always shut off our grill at the tank. A lot of people just keep it on, and if you don't have this completely locked out, and I've had that happen to me, you could empty your whole tank. Here you are, you bought a new tank, and it's completely empty when you go to use it. That's not a lot of fun. One of the other things I do is I actually date my tank when I install it, so I know. You can also get a spare tank. You got to put it in a safe space, and propane tanks just don't want to take that risk. With this gauge, you're not going to have a problem as far as figuring out what the status of your tank is at any given time, and help you plan for success on the grill. I'll post a link to the sensor down below in case you're interested. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your tank is closed, so that's all the way off clockwise. You know, some people put a wrench to the tanks. I just like to keep them. All you do is just take your sensor and you plug it in just like you would with the tank. I can smell the gas off of it right now. You got to make sure it's completely closed. Then you take your regular line and tie that in to the other side of the sensor. Now, turn your gas on, counterclockwise. And you know exactly how much gas is in your tank. But until I'm ready to grill again, I'm going to shut it off by closing it out. And then you can tell that your tank is closed off. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of home and outdoor ideas, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what saving tips you might see.